Hi there, I'm Rona Kinsman.
And I'm Lorraine Graham. We're careers advisors from Skills Development Scotland. This is video 3 of 4 we have created to help you understand more about LinkedIn and how it can be used as an effective career management tool.
Each video can be watched separately depending on what stage you're at with LinkedIn and what you want to learn. In this video, we're discussing how to use LinkedIn to improve your job search.
LinkedIn offers various tools and features for job search and applications. Users can set job alerts, apply for jobs directly through the platform, and research companies thoroughly before applying.
Additionally, enhancing one's profile with relevant keywords and showing to employers that you are open to work can improve visibility to recruiters and potential employers.
Using LinkedIn lets you get a good view of the range of ever-changing opportunities on your horizon, as well as enabling you to keep track of your network.
So let's take a look at LinkedIn's job search features. Here you'll see vacancies posted by employers, and you can use filters to find the types of vacancies that you're looking for. Some vacancies will allow you to apply on LinkedIn, whereas others will redirect you to the company website to apply.
If applying for jobs on LinkedIn, it will ask you to upload your resume, or your CV as we refer to it in the UK. A top tip is to always remember to customise your CV to the job you're applying for by paying attention to the job requirements and the skills the employer says they want on the job profile. If you'd like further support with your CV, check out the CV section on My Road of Work or find out how to make contact with a careers advisor at the end of the video.
Another thing for you to do is to follow the companies that you want to work with so that you'll see their latest updates in your feed. You can also actively engage with their content so you increase your visibility to employers.
You can also search on LinkedIn using hashtags to follow topics you're interested in, to find groups, set up job alerts, and network with people in your industry.
There are other ways to get jobs that aren't always advertised. This is through the hidden job market. These can be found through connecting with people and building a professional network, which is one of LinkedIn's main features.
So, let's take a look at how do you connect with people on LinkedIn. You can connect by sending a personalised connection request explaining why you want to connect. In many cases, this will be people you already know, such as current and previous colleagues, previous customers, ex-classmates from education, or friends and family.
However, consider other ways you can connect with others. Have you attended an event or a webinar recently? Why not add the speaker on LinkedIn? Connect with them to tell them how interesting their event was and how you'd like to connect with them in the future to keep up with their work.
Another great feature on LinkedIn are LinkedIn's groups. These are forums where professionals with similar interests or industries can share content, ask questions, and network. They can be valuable for learning and connecting with peers. Some of my previous customers have used the groups to ask questions such as, how do I get experience in this sector? Or how valuable are specific qualifications, certifications in this field? And they've reported that people have been very helpful and informative in these groups.
We've discussed connecting with others and applying for job vacancies, but another way to make sure that you are seen on LinkedIn is by posting content. Share articles or updates related to your field of work to demonstrate your expertise and attract attention from potential employers. If you're looking for work, post about it and ask your network to help spread the word.
We've seen today, if you're searching for work and not yet using LinkedIn, there could be lots you're missing out on. We recommend you begin exploring LinkedIn and try out some of the things we've looked at today, such as following employers, looking for job vacancies, and making use of groups.
Please join us in our other videos from our LinkedIn series where we talk more about LinkedIn's profile features. You'll find a link to those in the video description.
You can get in touch with Skills Development Scotland Careers Advisors on the telephone or in person by calling into our helpline on 0800 917 8000. And check out our career website www.myworldofwork.co.uk. Thanks for joining us today.